Want to configure lockdown mode on your iPhone? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable or disable lockdown mode in iOS 26 to add an extra layer of security for your device. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Scroll to the bottom of the page and tap Lockdown Mode. You'll see information about how lockdown mode helps protect your iPhone by limiting certain features and connections to reduce the risk of highly sophisticated cyber attacks. To enable it, tap Turn on Lockdown Mode, then tap Turn on and Restart. Enter your iPhone passcode if prompted. Your iPhone will restart automatically, and lockdown mode will be enabled once it turns back on. If you ever want to turn it off, go back to Settings, Privacy and Security. Lockdown mode, tap Turn off lockdown mode, then confirm and restart your iPhone. And that's it. That's how you can configure lockdown mode on your iPhone running iOS 26. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips and tutorials, and let me know in the comments below what other iPhone or iOS 26 tutorials you'd like to see next.